Hello, welcome to Lone Cowboy Adventures. I'm Ken, and if you're new here, welcome. I just did a 9-day trip, thousands of miles out west, Sturgis and beyond. If you are new here, go back and check out that video series, and I did do a premiere on Labor Day. Check that video out. It's very, very good. In my opinion, I've had a lot of good comments on it. So, I was contacted a couple months ago by a company, and this is an aftermarket company. I have a 2020 Road Glide Limited, and they asked me if I wanted to try out some LED turn signal lights, which I have them on the very front of the bike, and I am very pleased with them. And I will try to leave a link somewhere around here and in the description of that video. You can click on that and check it out. Then I was contacted by them to possibly do a backrest install video. And I am now reviewing that because I thought, you know what? I'm going on this trip and I'll give it a try. So I am very pleased with it. It gave me the support that I needed going down the interstate, over the mountain passes, around the curves, and it was just fantastic. And I don't have any complaints whatsoever, and it gave me plenty of support and flex. I'm typically a guy that likes to sit back and cruise, kick my feet out going down the interstate, and sit up and just cruise. So it gave me plenty of support going over the mountain passes and round curves, and it was very, very comfortable. I don't have any complaints whatsoever. So here I have, this is the box that it came in, and the instructions are just very, very simple. It is actually adjustable. And adjustable meaning you can move it back, you can move it forward, depending on where you want to mount it. And you can also raise the backrest up or down. I have mine on the very lowest setting. As you can see here, right there, you can raise it up or down. I'm very, very pleased with it. There is 3 holes that you can actually mount it to, and it's very simple installation. And then here I'll show you on the bike. And yeah, this is in kind of slow motion, so it actually folds down for your passenger to make it easier to get on and off the bike. And there is an actually adjustment screw right back there in the very back where that hole is, or you can unzip it and access it there to actually lean the backrest forward, or you can lean it back. I have it leaned back all the way. So excellent, excellent comfort. I have no complaints whatsoever. And yeah. So the company is actually excuse me, it's actually on Amazon, and it's called Benlari. And they have all kinds of different parts. They're actually, their motto is your riding companion and partner. They have lighting, custom accessories and trim, windshields and deflectors, foot controls, and more. So I will actually leave a link down in the description. And let's go ahead and take a look at the lights that I got. Let's see here. Yes, there they are right there. They actually, when you turn your signal on, they'll actually flash yellow for you. and I am very, very pleased with them. And they also have the light covers. It is plug and play. I believe it's the 1157 terminal lights that I have, and they also have solids down there, and very, very economically priced. And yeah, they also have foot controls and stuff like that. So check them out. Heel toe shifters and stuff like that. And let's see here. There we go. Seats and backrest. Right there you go. And that is basically what it is. So I will actually leave you a link down in the description for you, and check them out. They are actually an Amazon store, and I'm very, very pleased with everything that they have got me. But when I leave that link to the Amazon store in the description, it is 15% off on the backrest. So if you're in the market for a backrest, click on that link below, and they'll get you set up. Shipping is very fast and easy, and they actually have luggage racks also, and the docking systems. So, let's see here. There we go. All right. Well, hope you have a good day. It's a short week for some of you. I'm going to put in 5 days of trailer trucking, and so if they actually have some work on Saturday. So, um, we'll see you again, hopefully, and be sure to check them out. And yeah. All right. Well, as I always say hi to a stranger, thank a veteran, and if you're a veteran, thank you very much for your service. Wave at a police officer, and fist bump another biker. Go up and talk to them. Say hi. How you doing? You know, because sometimes it gets pretty lonely out there on the road. So, hope you all have a good day, and we'll see you on the next one. Okay? Hey, say bye.